If you've had your iPhone for years or decades, you've probably accumulated thousands or tens of thousands of photos and videos on your iPhone. Now, you can always go in and cull it and delete a specific photo or a video, but what if you wanted to delete every single photo and video? There is one trick to be able to select all of the photos and videos and delete them with one click. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So first, just open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And there are a couple ways to delete. So if I press and hold on a photo, I can tap on the delete button to the right and then just tap on delete, and it will go into my recently deleted folder. Another option is to tap select at the top right. And then I can take my finger and swipe across and start selecting some of these photos, and then tap the trash can at the bottom right, and then tap delete. However, again, this is fairly long and slow if you have thousands of photos. So let's do a trick to be able to select all of them. So to be able to do this, you're going to tap select at the top right. You're going to use two hands and two fingers to do this. So on one hand, you're going to start to select these photos. So take your finger and start swiping over, and then hold your finger on your iPhone screen, and the other finger tap at the top of your iPhone screen. You'll be able to see when I do that, it automatically goes to the top of my entire iPhone library for photos. And while I have that other finger still on my iPhone, it has selected all of these. You can see at the bottom 17,717 selected. Now just tap on the trash can icon here, and then just tap on delete all of those items. However, after you've done that, they're not permanently deleted. They're just in the recently deleted folder. So let's delete that as well. After you've deleted all of them, tap on collections at the bottom left. Scroll down, tap on utilities, and then tap on recently deleted. You can see all of your recently deleted photos. Just tap on select at the top right. Tap on the three dots right next to it, and then tap delete all. And then choose delete all from all devices. And just like that, you have deleted all of those photos and videos, and you have also deleted them from the recently deleted folder. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.